Good morning! Maulang umaga dito sa UK ngayon. So, kita nyo ang weather. Maambon na! So, gagala tayo ngayon. Okay. Pupunta ako sa town. Shopping ulit! So, dito pala sa harap ng bahay. Ang ganda ng flowers dito, oh. Napansin ko lang. Wow! Yan, diba? So, napansin ko lang, papunta na ako sa sasakyan ko. Tapos nakita ko, wow, ganda ng flower dito sa harap ng bahay. So, punta na tayo sa sasakyan, guys. Ayan, nandito na ako sa sasakyan. So, drive muna, guys. Sorry, hindi ko maipakita ang pagda-drive ko kasi nga walang hahawak sa GoPro ko. Okay.
A few minutes later.
Okay. Dito na tayo, guys. Punta tayo dyan sa Lidl. So, bawal ang camera sa loob. So, pasensya na. Alright, guys. Dito na tayo sa town. Tapos na ang shopping sa Lidl. So, let's go to town. Papaayos ko lang tong kilay ko. Okay, let's go. Dito na tayo sa town center, guys. Hanapin lang natin yung yung pag-anuhan ng kwan. Ayan natin. Okay, right then, guys, nanggaling ako dyan sa eyebrow threading din dyan sa likod ko. Ayun, o. So, okay, tingnan nyo ang kilay ko. Namumula. Right then, guys, balik na sa car. Nag-shopping na ng konti. Nag-ikot-ikot sa town. And yeah, may dadaanan pang isang shop sa Sainsbury's naman. Okay, balik na tayo sa car. Busy ngayon ang town. Kita nyo, daming sasakyan. Busy. Alright, dito na tayo sa Sainsbury's, guys. Nandyan. Walang tayo ng ticket. Hintay lang natin may nakapila. Ayan, guys, yan yung ticket. Kuha tayo ng free ticket. Ayan, 30 minutes free ticket. Pasok tayo sa loob. Lagyan lang muna natin sa car ang ticket na to.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Guys, kadarating lang dito sa bahay. Nandito yung mga shopping. There, Molly's excited. Sniffing all the shopping. Okay. So, itago ko lang yung mga shopping, guys. Okay.
Many tic-tacs later.
Okay, guys. Cooking time para sa hapunan. So, we're going to cook paella. Wow! And here are the ingredients. We got chicken and vegetable. So, ang lulutuin natin guys chicken and vegetable paella. So, nandito mga ingredients na hinanda ko. There is the garlic, onion, vegetables, and peas, and chicken, and we've got chicken stocks, and of course, ito ang pinaka-importante. It's paella con saffron. So, let's do it guys. Guys, nandito na yung paella pan. So, ito pa pala, kalimutan ko, dapat meron din tayong ganito. So, we need to have arborio rice. Ginagamit ko ang arborio rice for cooking paella kasi medyo malambot siya. So, itong gagamitin natin. Okay? So, unang lalagyan natin ng mantika. Okay? Olive oil. Ang pan. Kasi, magigisa tayo. So, we are going to saute the garlic and onion. Ayan na, you can see it's boiling hot. So, these are the things now, guys. There you go. Ayan, guys. Let's feel it. Oh, it's so hot. Next is the onion. Gisa-gisa lang natin. And then next is the chicken. Okay. There we go. So we're going to brown this chicken. So it will be cooked. So after this, we are going to put the chicken stock. So this is the chicken stock na. So we're going to pour it in there when the chicken is cooked. And then let it boil. And then we'll put the rice. These ones we're going to leave it a bit later para it won't be soggy. Hindi siya hindi siya ma-overcook. Okay, there you go guys. Luto na ang chicken. So we're going to pour this chicken stock now. There we go. Ayan siya guys. So let's just boil this. And then when it's boiled, we'll put the rice. And let's put this now. The paella con saffron. Okay. This came from Spain. So, shout out sa kapatid kong si Rio. Salamat. Thank you very much for this. So, yung saffron na yan ang lalagay ng kulay para sa paella. So it gives a color on the paella. And then let's just boil this and we'll put the rice. So this is the arborio rice now guys. And it's because it's boiling, I can put this in now. So you can put the put more salt in, so it will according to your taste. So para malasa siya. To suit your taste, you can put additional salt. There you go. So let's just cook that rice. When the rice is nearly cooked, then we will put the vegetables. Okay, there it is, guys. Our burger rice is nearly cooked, so we can put the veggies now. Okay. Okay, we will leave this as a decoration on the top and the peas. So let's stir. So this is the chicken and vegetable paella. As you can see, it's very colorful and nutritious because it's got everything in it in one dish. And I'll just get a cover to cover it. Alright, I just need to cover this. Okay. And let's wait for a few minutes. And then we will put all of this remaining vegetables on top of it. And then guys, we're going to put the peas. I put piece half of it and then stirred it, and then we'll put another piece on top. So just scatter it around. There you go. There it is. Scatter it around and then arrange this like a pizza. A bit more down there, guys. There you go. There. Yeah, let's just wait. Let it cook and then it's done. Ayan na ang finale, guys. Wow! Oh, ang sarap, diba? This is my chicken and vegetable paella. There you go. Now, what can you say?
I haven't tasted it yet.
Tastes nice? Yeah? Yeah. What?
That's nice.
Perfect. How about you, Isaac? Is it perfect? Oh, they both like it. Alright then, guys. That's it. They love my cooking. Okay, see you on my next video. Bye-bye.